cantaloupe, mushmelon, rockmelon, sweet melon, Persian melon, spanspek, or Garmak UO ± UU. Copyright refers to a variety of Cucumis melo, a species in the family Cucurbitaceae. Cantaloupes range in size from 500 g to 5 kg. Originally, cantaloupe referred only to the non-netted, orange-fleshed melons of Europe. However, in more recent usage, it has come to mean any orange-fleshed melon. Cantaloupe is the most popular variety of melon in the United States. Etymology: the name is derived, via French, from the Italian Cantaloupe, which was formerly a papal county seat near Rome. Tradition has it that this is where it was first cultivated in Europe, on its introduction from ancient Armenia. Its first known usage in English dates from 1739 in the Gardener's Dictionary Vol. II by Scottish botanist Philip Miller. Origin: the cantaloupe originated in Iran, India and Africa. It was first cultivated in Iran some 5,000 years ago and in Greece and Egypt some 4,000 years ago. Cantaloupes by region. The European cantaloupe is lightly ribbed, with a grey-green skin that looks quite different from that of the North American cantaloupe. The North American cantaloupe, common in the United States, Mexico, and in some parts of Canada, is actually a muskmelon, a different variety of Cucumis melo, and has a net-like skin covering. It is a round melon with firm, orange, moderately sweet flesh and a thin, reticulated, light brown rind. Varieties with redder and yellower flesh exist, but are not common in the U.S. market. Production and uses. Because they are descended from tropical plants and tend to require warm temperatures throughout a relatively long growing period, cantaloupes grown in temperate climates are frequently started indoors for 14 days or longer before being transplanted outdoors. Cantaloupes are often picked, and shipped, before fully ripening. Post-harvest practices include treatment with a sodium hypochlorite or bleach wash to prevent mold and salmonella growth. This treatment, because it can mask the melon's musky aroma, can make it difficult for the purchaser to judge the relative quality of different cantaloupes. Cantaloupe is normally eaten as a fresh fruit, as a salad, or as a dessert with ice cream or custard. Melon pieces wrapped in prosciutto or a familiar antipasto. Because the surface of a cantaloupe can contain harmful bacteria in particular, Salmonella it is always a good idea to wash and scrub a melon thoroughly before cutting and consumption. The fruit should be refrigerated for less than 3 days after cutting to prevent risk of salmonella or other bacterial pathogens. A moldy cantaloupe in a Peoria, Illinois market in 1941 was found to contain the best and highest quality penicillin, after a worldwide search. Footnotes. See also, G. W. Swink, inventor of the cantaloupe crate, references, Cucumis melo. Integrated Taxonomic Information System. Retrieved September 3, 2002. In Sminger, Audrey H. The Concise Encyclopedia of Foods and Nutrition. CRC Press, ISBN 0-8493-4455-7. Melons and Watermelons in the Classical Era, Alfred C. Andrews, Osiris, Volume 12 ppA 368 Euro 375, Cantaloupe, Origin Global Oneness, External Links, Nutritional and Historical Information, MSNBC article on farming of hybridization that mentions cantaloupes, sorting Cucumis names a multilingual multiscript plant name database, growing cantaloupes in the home garden, cantaloupe, safe methods to store, preserve and enjoy, from University of California Agricultural and Natural Resources.